Just a quick update, guys, for BTC. So we test this level yesterday in Telegram channel. I post this one. So I'm weighted 99,684. The next step is 93,211. So we tested the first level and bounced it. Probably it can be the end of correction, but of course I would like to see even lower, like 1.61 level FIP, 95,910, this one. So this was so important level. Maybe in one big video I will explain you more in details, but I hope you not skip the post. So the next target, guys, it can be, I still believe in new all-time high for BTC because many reasons around. So the gold top it, probably top it. Usually it took us some time. I already explained the correlation between the BTC and the gold. So probably the money from the gold should start inflow into crypto sector and a BTC, especially. Maybe some alts will pump, maybe not. And I think we will see that main target, what I posted before, it's 139K454. So around here. This is a 2.61 level FIP, and I guess when we will see that level, the buy take profit line will be around here. So the lines start curve down, and anyway we can, or of course like two scenarios, or drop down to the buy line 76 and 10K, or to test 150K on the 12 time frame. But I think we are now around the middle, right? But closer, of course, to the buy line, 76,500. It's a buy line. Anyway, if we see something like this one, we're gonna bounce to the this one, 2.61 level by FIPA 139. Some people say we already top it because of some cycle by days. People love to count the patterns. I guess the patterns doesn't work because the people all the time trying to find some the logical explanation and the simplest explanation. So it looks like matrix, right? So some days count. This is a day to buy. This is a day to sell. Bam, I'm rich, but market doesn't work like this one. So I market potentially May 2026. We count in the last video. This is a range. What BTC need to move if the gold top it, the BTC need to move like this one, hit the top, for example, and go down. So yes, this can be the long chop time for BTC. But I hope we'll see something like this price movement, something like this one. It's hard to say about a timing, but it's just in theory time. This trend line I can delete, and now the take profit line 150K 800. I don't think so. We're gonna hit 150K. So my targets since 2022 still in play 139. Only the question what will be with the alts. And the second question, from now we recover back to hit this target, or from the test of the buy line. So that's a question, guys. Is it possible? So we are cooked, and we just go like this one? Yes, of course. Bam, 47K, 42K. This is my take for the bottom for the bear market. Got it. So let's delete this line. Now locally, let's check, by the way, the weekly time frame. So yes, we can test once again. It's 95,900 gaps, guys. Yes, this one. This is going to be the monthly full fill. So that's a problem. So we didn't test it. But maybe it's not necessary, so we will. So just in case, I still believe, we can with this test or without, just hit the top in around spring summary 6. So next few months can be really boring, guys. Exit line now on a weekly 130K 500, so not so far from the 2.61. So just a question when. This is a buy line on the weekly it's 58k 132. I don't think so we're gonna drop that low, but it's possible. But my take is absolutely still relevant. Also, they already twice cut the rate. They start already inflow the liquidity into the market, so print the money, and I don't see any euphoria in the market. I read some good comments. So now there is no fear in the market because there is no participants in the market. So it's really important. Take profit. I showed you. Take a look at EZ. We dump it to the accumulation zone. Last time when we trade in the accumulation zone, it was now. After that, here and here. And here was the biggest accumulation in June 22. So I think we can go one more impulse up. Take a look. This was August. Here's the warrants. We trade at 112 and we dump it to 99k. Here's the warrants. Pretty nice one. The bigger one can be something like this one. The bigger the warrants, you know. And if we form something 110 and drop it down by end of November, 95k again. So on the daily. So just keep in mind, guys, 95, 910 still in play. Or from now or after 108k and drop. The Jim Cramer said we are now in the bear market. So I hope this Jim inverse reverse playing out again. So the daily, no signals to sell, guys. Time to sell was here in October. Fun fact, but before, wow, I didn't check the direction that time. Here was a preparation before the Donald Trump tariffs. Kind of weird, you know. 12 time frame, even more obvious. Here was some accumulation. We bounced it. Now we drop it, but without any accumulation. That's kind of weird. So I wish to see, of course, 95, 900. But I will be more than happy and satisfied if we go from now higher. Market mood, guys. Total capitulation on 12 time frame, total capitulation on a daily time frame. Even weekly we're in come back to some optimism zone. So usually after the euphoria, we come down to this orange block, trade here with optimism positive on the market and move up again. On the weekly, it's really important. Now we in the same stage like we've been here in spring 25. So it's good. It's good. And two less indicator trade on, guys. Sell fixation profit was here in June 25. No signal buyback on a weekly. Also so obvious. I didn't track the BTC. You know, I didn't add any alerts. Here was a signal to sell 3 days before the Donald Trump tariffs, and here October 7, we dump it, and the 12 time frame, yes, wow. Finally, we got to take profit signal on 12 time frame, guys. Here, 12. Without buy signal yet. What I would like to see, you know, usually we form the three patterns like this one. 3 rise pattern, inverse. So this is what I'm looking for. And the last one, indicator money power, guys. Here, some money inflow just 2 days in a row on the 12 time frame. No money inflow yet on a daily. So here was the last one, October 17. We bounced it from 103k to 116. Now I wish to see another drop and money inflow. So this is it, but it's not a necessary, guys. It's not a necessary. By the way, now it's a full moon. So yes, you can hate it, you can love it, but this astrology trades works also perfectly well. So guys, targets relevant? I don't think so. We are in the bear market. I don't draw that fancy trend lines because people now use this trend line like, wow, here. 1, 2, and here is going to be the 3. Or the people use this one, like, the trend lines works until they not, you know? So this is it. So now it looks like we're in the trend line. Everything good, but everything depends of the time frame first, and second one, it depends of the chart, what you're looking for, a line or not. So the trend lines, it's can be good, but maybe not for me. So guys, I hope you like this video. Targets by the way, guys, still in play. All data of my indicators I showed you. The logic explain you about the gold and M2 in previous videos. So highly recommend you go and check if you interested. If you like to trade as my customer, like I said, I will show in this video. So right now, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.